Hello everyone, my name is Sir Tripathi and welcome to the Current Affairs Interceptor YouTube channel. Today is March 26th and we are going to study multiple choice types questions and it is going to help a lot in your current affairs preparation. These types of questions are often asked in exams. So without any further delay, let's start our session. Now, who is 97th member of ISA? ISA stands as International Solar Alliance. 97th member of ISA is Panama. International Solar Alliance is an intergovernmental organization to promote solar energy. It is headquartered in Gurugram and it was established in 2015 in Paris during UN Climate Change Conference. Current DG of International Solar Alliance is Ajay Mathur, and the purpose of International Solar Alliance is to harness solar energy, especially for those countries who lie between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. As we know, these countries lie near equator and receive maximum amount of solar light throughout the year. The purpose of International Solar Alliance is to harness the solar energy in these nations as they can be used for renewable energy and reduce dependence on fossil fuels and reduce carbon footprint as well as reduce the global temperature below 1.5 degrees centigrade target with respect to pre-industrial levels. Panama is a country in Central America. It is found on Isthmus Link and it connects North America to South America. Currency of Panama is Balboa or United States dollar. Both are applicable. And capital is Panama City. Exercise Bharat Shakti is organized between Exercise Bharat Shakti was organized between Indian Navy, Indian Army and Indian Force in Pokhara, Rajasthan. It is a tri-service exercise and it aims to increase synergy among armed forces. India carries out multiple exercises between other nations and such as Eastern Bridge. Eastern Bridge is between India and Oman. Lamitai, which was held recently, it was between India and Seychelles. Lamitai means friendship. Indradhanush, it is between India and UK. Garud, it is between India and France. So exercise Bharat Shakti is related to tri-services of Indian Armed Forces, which is Indian Navy, Indian Army and Indian Air Force. We move to next one. Kristina Pliskova has won Miss World 2024 title. Which country she belongs to? She belongs to Czech Republic. Czech Republic is a Central European country. Its capital is Prague and currency is Czech Koruna. Koruna means Koruna. Czech Koruna. So Kristina Pliskova has won Miss World title and she comes from Czech Republic. Exercise Cutlass Express was organized in Seychelles. Seychelles is a country in Indian Ocean. It is basically archipelago, which means group of island, just like Maldives. It was held among India, US and multiple African countries. Matari Vandan Yojana. Matari Vandan Yojana, it is a social welfare scheme implemented by government of Chhattisgarh. It aims to improve economic self-reliance, health and nutritional levels of women in state as well as strengthen their decision making role in the family. So Matari Vandan Yojana is a scheme from Chhattisgarh. Dissociative Identity Disorder Awareness Day is celebrated on which day? DID, Dissociative Identity Disorder, is celebrated on March 5th to raise awareness about this mental health condition. In dissociative identity disorder, people have different identities and this is a mental health condition. It is observed on March 5th every year. Chakshu portal is all about GST, online booking, railway passengers food complaint, fraudulent SMS or WhatsApp report. It is for fraudulent SMS and WhatsApp report. Chakshu, which means eye in English, and its purpose is to report fraud, suspicious communication such as cybercrime or financial crime related, and it comes under Sanchar Sathi portal. It aims to prevent frauds such as cybercrime, financial frauds, and many other such cases. Which is the largest coal mine in Asia? Daltonganj, Godda, Jhilmil, or Gewra. Gewra coal mine is the largest coal mine in Asia and it is located in Korba, Chhattisgarh. It is operated by Southeastern Coalfield Limited, which is subsidiary of Coal India Limited. Sacred relics of Lord Buddha has been sent to which country? Sacred relics of Buddha was sent to Thailand. Relics means, such as the body parts or objects related to Lord Buddha, and it has been sold to Thailand. Thailand is a Southeast Asian nation and its capital is Bangkok and currency is Thai baht. So sacred relics of Lord Buddha was sent to Thailand. Who is the new president of Ireland? Simon Harris. Please remember this, it is going to be asked in recent elections. And Simon Harris is a new president of Ireland. Ireland is a country in North Atlantic Ocean or Northwest Europe. Its capital is Dublin and currency is pound sterling. So Simon Harris is new president of Ireland. India's reusable launch vehicle is called Vyom, Drona, Antariksh or Pushpak. It's Pushpak. Rockets which can be recovered or reusable for multiple launches are called a reusable launch vehicle, and recently Pushpak was tested using Indian Air Force Chinook helicopter, where the rocket was taken to height up to around 4.5 kilometer and it was left there. After leaving there, it has landed safely back on the earth, and its name is Pushpak. This kind of testing has been going on since 2012, and India aims to achieve this technological milestone. Recently, SpaceX Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy are the two rockets which are reusable. MeitY, which is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and which department or ministry? It's National Internet Exchange of India. BhashaNet aims to reduce digital divide by increasing regional languages in internet, such as emails and URLs of website, so that lots of people can participate in internet. It is a joint initiative between Ministry of Electronics, Information Technology, MeitY, and NIXI, which is National Internet Exchange of India. Exercise Tiger Trump was organized between India and United States in Vishakhapatnam. In this, Indian Army, US Marines and US Army Coast Guard participated in it. Recently, Signal Technology Evaluation and Adoption Group has been established by Indian Army. STEAG is all about India's Army's Signal Training, Evaluation and Adaptation Group, and it aims to increase communication infrastructure of Indian Army, such as 6G, Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, and many more advanced technologies for future-ready operations. So STEAG is a new establishment by Indian Army and it focuses on modern communication technologies. A new regional airline has been introduced, and what is its name? FlyZ 007, Fly 91, Aero Nimbus or Crystal Airways. It's Fly 91. Fly 91 is a regional carrier and it aims to improve connectivity in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities at low cost. So these were today's current affairs, and please let me know how was this session, and if you have any doubt or any feedback, please let me know in comment section. I will try to answer your queries. I will try to implement your feedback or suggestions in my next video. I will work hard to bring you quality content every day, and please also subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.